In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automatically create sub-items for new items. First, go to monday.com and log into your account. Once you're in, open the board where you want to manage your tasks and automatically add sub-items whenever a new item is created. This is especially useful if every new task follows the same checklist or workflow, because it saves time and keeps your board consistent. At the top of the board, click Automate. This opens the automation area, where Monday lets you build rules that run automatically in the background. From there, click Create Automation to start setting up a new one. In the automation search area, look for a recipe similar to when an item is created, even if the default version shows a different action, like assigning the creator. The important part is the trigger. We want to keep the trigger as when an item is created and then change the action so it creates sub-items instead. Now select the trigger when an item is created. This means the automation will run every time a brand new item is added to this board. Then choose the action Create Sub-items. Once you do that, Monday will give you a place to define the sub-items that should appear automatically under each new item. Enter the names of the sub-items you want to auto-create. For example, these could be different stages of work, checklist items, or repeatable preparation tasks. If you need more than one, go ahead and add multiple sub-items. Take a moment here to make sure the names are clear, because these will be added every time the automation runs. When everything looks right, click Create Automation to save it. At this point, the automation is live and ready to work. To test it, create a new item on your board just like you normally would. After the item appears, open it and verify that your predefined sub-items were automatically created underneath it. If they show up correctly, then the automation is working exactly as intended. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. A quick tip before you wrap up: if the sub-items don't appear right away, refresh the board and check that the automation was saved on the correct board. Also make sure the trigger is set to new item creation, not item status changes or another event. Small setup differences can change how the automation behaves. Once you confirm the test worked, you're all set. From now on, every new item created on that board will automatically include the sub-items you defined, helping your team stay organized and making repetitive setup much faster. Congratulations! You've successfully set up automatic sub-item creation in Monday. Calm.